Yeah, this is New York City, October 29th, 2011, Saturday. Snow is starting to fall pretty heavy right now. Time check is about, 11 in the morning, 11:15, 16, 17. And as you see, it's real brisk outside and the snow is starting to fall. So check back for updates. This is the Hood Weather Channel, HWC Hood Weather Channel. Ian J signing off. Electric City, where the lights are always on, even when it's a snowstorm or it's bomb. Peace. Yeah, that was 10 minutes ago, the last video clip. This is a 10-minute later update. As you see, the snowflakes are increasing in diameter. So let me do a quick pan. You can see the street level. You know, the ground was already wet from the previous precipitation, but the snow's not really sticking yet. But as you can see, as I pan back and we look into the sky, we see it's coming down at a heavy rate. Now we're just gonna wait for the temperature to drop a little, and then we'll see the snow sticking more. There's still brick out there because my hand's cold right now filming this, so I'll get up out of here. Make sure you check back, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. I gotta go. I know this is